This is our expanded metal mesh machine DP2530 model. Below is the technical parameter. This is our electric type decouler. It can bear 510 material. Of course, we also have other capacity decouler. This is the main expanded metal mesh machine. The material thickness can be maximum 2 mm. The mesh width is maximum 1.35 meter. The punching speed can be 280 times per minute. It's a high-speed machine. Our flattening machine has 4 rollers. 2 rollers are the support rollers, hardness 55 degrees. The main 2 flattening rollers, hardness 60. The gearbox connects with the main axis directly. It can guarantee stable working. This is mesh straighting, slitting, and cutting machine. Here is the straighting function. Upper has 8 straighting rollers. Lower has 9 straighting rollers. It can make the mesh flat. And this function is the slitting function. It can cut the mesh into 4 pieces. You can also add more cutters to cut the mesh into more pieces. This is the mesh cutting machine. After slitting, you can cut the mesh into different mesh lengths. This is the final recoiler. For this machine, it coils 4 mesh rods at the same time, and the mesh width can be adjusted. The mesh rod numbers can be custom made. This is our control panel. We adopt many world-famous brand electric parts. This is the Siemens brand touchscreen, Siemens brand PLC, Schneider brand switch relay, Delta brand inverter, so driver.